guys are useless leh.
Why you say guys are useless? Other guys useless but very useful one.
No lah, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about my best buddy's boyfriend. You know, they are going to get married this month. But the SO use the money to invest on Dogecoins.
Dogecoin? Oh, that one useless things. Where will people invest in Dogecoin one? I won't do that. This kind of.
I also think so lor. But you got buy meh?
Don't have lah.
Then why you keep looking at your phone? You got something to hide from me, right?
No lah, playing Facebook, looking at
You
current
sure?
news.
Then why you checking out one right?
Don't snatch lah, wait.
Here's the breaking news. Massive drop in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and other coin prices as much as 365 billion worth of cryptocurrency market.
Oh, heng, I never buy all these crypto coins. Why? You don't tell me you're part of this $365 billion eh? How much did you buy? Okay lah, small investment. 365, right? No? 3,650?
You guess a little bit more.
How you don't tell me 36,500?
You are spot on. But dear, don't worry. I didn't just buy Dogecoin. I got buy other things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, PancakeSwap, Sushi Coin, Shiba Inu, Matic, ADA, blah blah blah. Not just one. I buy a lot. I never put 8 in one basket. I put a lot of basket.
Wait. But all these not crypto coins, meh?
Part of the 365 billion.
Then where you get the money from?
Our joint account.
Oh my god, you crazy ah! We are using that money for upcoming renovation, you forget ah?
Dear, but don't worry.
Why don't worry?
Because I haven't sell means I haven't lose money. When the price up, I will earn back money. And I tell you, I'm very clever. When the price drop, the price dip, right? I take another $36,500, right, to buy the dip. That means we got chance to profit, dear. I'm clever, right? You never married the wrong guy, leh.
Never your head, James. I tell you what, I'm so done with it. I'm going back to my mother's house,
Go back mother's house for what? You know, father-in-law, he also buy Dogecoin. He also Dogecoin supporter.
James!
Guys, don't worry about it. Why don't you just use Renopedia for your renovation? By the way, I'm from Renopedia and you can call me Doge Bro. Okay, I know it's too lame, but at Renopedia you can find 7 to 8 interior design firms by signing up on our platform. And the best thing is you can win up to $50,000. I guess it should be better than investing in Dogecoin, right?
So can I get back my money from Dogecoin?
We are Renopedia lah, not Cryptopedia. If you want to know, ask Elon lah, bro. This the Doge father. Go watch Saturday Night Live lah. You don't know.
James!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.